Welcome to this demo video. In this session, the complete POS flow for a clothing shop is shown from opening the register to final payment and invoicing. So let's start by opening the POS register. Okay, so firstly, open POS module. I'll click on new session to begin. Okay, the system will now load the POS interface where we can start selling. So click on open register. Okay. Before adding the product, can simply add a customer as Abigail Peterson and add items. Okay, casual t-shirt and light blue jeans. Okay, you can add a sizes also. Okay, after that, if you want to give discount for a particular customer, so simply you can add a discount code. Okay, and apply. So 10% discount on your order. Okay, after that you can give a special customer price list to special customer. You can give a special price, so you can simply click on special customer price list. Means you can select special customer price list for special customer. Okay, if you add note for customers, so it's also possible. To that, a different process, cancel order, you can see the infos. You can add taxes. Taxes are already given here. Okay, now you can simply add a product like this and click on payment button. Okay, you have a payment method options like cash, card. If you want to add customer account, you can simply add, click on card button. And if you want to print invoice, so you can simply click on invoice button and validate it. It's loading. Okay, so this is your receipt. If you want to see invoice, if you want to print full receipt, so you can simply click on print full receipt and you can see your invoice here. Yeah, your invoicing number, invoice date, due date, source number, description, casual t-shirt, black, okay, small size, 100% cotton, and description of the particular item. Your second product is like those jeans, quantity, unit price, taxes, amount, everything is given here. Okay, untaxed amount, paid, your 10% discount on your order. Okay, so this is how the complete POS flow works for any shop, from customer selections to billing, receipt, and invoice generation. Thank you.